today, it seems to coincide with people passing by, but there was a reason why. How could they know just what this message means? The end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the palace there had been? Behind the door was where my love had queen. No knew today, it wasn't really so. The guy was gay, returning today. What's left is a place dark and lonely. The terrace house is a means to back a town. Without a shrine, and I think of you only, just to up and down. No mood today, it wasn't really so. The company was gay, returning today. As the music played, the festival dance, the break of the romance, the start of the romance. How could they know just what this message means? The end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the palace there would be? Behind the door was where my rent is clean. No help today, my love has gone away. The Protestants will know the symbol of the door. But what's left is a place dark and lonely. This house is a mystery back in town. The curtains shrine when I think of you only, just to up and down. No help today, my love has gone away. The Protestants will know the symbol of the door. No help today, it seems to coincide with people passing by, don't know the reason why. How could they know just what this message means? The end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the palace there had been? Behind the door, my love the greatest queen. No today, it wasn't really so. The company was gay, returning today. The life of the clerk and the lonely, the terrace house in a mean back of town. The flat of the place and the lonely, the terrace house in a mean back of town. Wow, there's a lot of words in that. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Swordfingers again with you with a classic oldie from Herman's Hermits. I don't think I've done one of their numbers before, so this is a new one on me. So Herman's Hermits, a classic, one of the big hits called No Milk Today, of course. So I'm doing it in standard tuning and no capos, and it's the same key as the original recording. Okay. So let's get to it. So the introduction, this is my take on it. I'm not saying it's exactly perfect, but it's not far off, I don't think. Okay, starting off with second fret of the third string, two hits on that one, 2 hits on that. Then we go down to the first fret on the third string, and we play along with the second string open. So okay, then back to the second on the third along with the first fret of the second, 2 hits on that. So it's 2 hits on the open, the 2 hits on the second on the third, then we play the first on the third along with the the open second, and then 2 hits on this one, which is the second on the third along with the first on the second. So okay, and what I do then is just basically play the top 4 strings open, okay, just once. Then I play an F major 7th, so it's an F chord with the bar lifted up and the top E string is open, just fall down to 1 again. So now we've got this. 2 strokes on that one, 2 down strokes on that F major 7. Then we do a simple F-shaped G chord. It's like an F shape but on the 3rd fret, from the 3rd fret F shape, fall down to 1 again, single hit. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, and then go up to an A minor shape, barring the first 3 strings on the 5th fret, first finger, and the 3rd finger is playing the 7th fret of the 4th string, and that's 4 down to 1, 2 strokes, 2 downstrokes. So now you've got this. And then a quick go back to G, the F shape on the 3rd fret, fall down to 1, just a single strum, and then you're into the song on A minor. Okay, so let's just go through that again very slowly. Into the song on A minor. Once more, so 2nd fret, 3rd string twice, 1st fret on the 3rd along with the 2nd string open, then back to this 2nd on the 3rd with the 1st on the 2nd together, 2 notes twice. So we've got top 3 strings open once, F major 7th twice, a G chord played as an F shape on the 3rd fret once, A minor twice, 5th fret, first 3 strings, 7th fret on the 4th string, twice, and then a single G, and then we're into A minor, first chord of the verse. Okay, so just again normal speed. A minor, no meal today. Right, let's do the verse then. Verse very simple. A minor, no meal today. C, my love has gone away. E7 to A minor. That's an E chord with the 3rd finger off, open 4th string. So I'm just fretting the 1st on the 3rd and the 2nd on the 5th there. All 6 strings. To A minor, back to E7. To A minor. So A minor, no meal today. C, my love has gone away. E7 to A minor, and again E7 to A minor. Repeat the whole thing. No meal today. C, girl has gone. So E7 to A minor twice. Now we go to an A chord. We make the A minor an A chord, A major. Okay, add your pinky to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, or whichever finger you're using. You need to make it an A major. Okay, so from the beginning, today my love has come away. No meal today, it seems a common sight, but people passing by don't know the reason why. A major, how could you know? How could you know? So, how could you know? No, that's it. How could you know? How does it go there? That's right. How could you know just what? On what you go to a G chord, okay? You could know just what this message means. D, the end of my hopes, the end of E, my A, which means. So that's, how could you know what this message means? How could you ba 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 ba. Got that? So A to G to D, D to E, back to A, and do it again. So how could they know just what this message means? The end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the power that's there had been behind the door when my love reigns green? And then we go back to the A minor and do another verse, okay? No milk today, it wasn't always so. The company was king, no milk today. And then we do 8 beats on A minor. Okay, so we do half a verse, so to speak. Okay, so just one lot of that A minor to C to E7 to A minor, E7 to A minor. Okay, so let's do a second bit again. So come in after the second verse, so to speak. Okay, no milk today. It wasn't always so, the company was gay. We turn out into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we make it an A again, okay, an A major. But that's all we're... Right, so this is... was left, da 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 da. So that's A to E to F sharp minor. That's barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, 4th fret on the 5th string and the 4th string there. You can play it as a bar chord if you want, but I'm playing it as a simple chord, okay? So A, but there was left is a dark place and lonely, a terrace house. So it's A to E to F sharp to E, and then A to E to D. So it's but there was left is a dark and lonely, a terrace house is a mean just back in town, and then a quick E. Mean. So let's do it again. But all that's left is a place dark and lonely, a terrace house in a mean street back of town. Repeat the whole thing. Becomes a shrine when I think of you only, D, just to up and down. Okay, so that's that bridge section. Okay, so let's do the whole thing up to that point, shall we? And then basically the song just repeats itself. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. Let's go from the intro. Okay, slowly. My love is gone away, the border stands full, the symbol of joy. No milk today, it seems a common sight, the people passing by don't know the reason why. Good, they know just what this message means, the end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the palace they have been behind the door? No milk today, it was an awful soul, the company was gay, turned out today. Little section. Brother babe, so the dark and the lonely, a terrace house in a mean street back in town, a Christmas shrine when I think of you only, just to up and down. Back to another verse, okay? No milk today, it was a lovely soul, the company was gay, we turned out into gay. And again, and the music played, the faster we dance, the felt all the dance, it's time to play more beats. A, the G, the D, the D, A, A beat, bridge section. But always left is a place dark and lonely, and there is houses, mean street back in town. Becomes a shrine when I think of you only, just to up and down. Another verse. No milk today, my love has gone away, the other stands for me, simple love again. No milk today, it seems a common sign, but people passing by, but no reason why. I could know just what this message means, the end of my hopes, the end of all my dreams. How could they know the palace we have been behind the door, above the rose of green verse. No milk today, it was an awful soul, the people once again, we turned it into day. 8 beats. We go into that bridge section again, okay? But there was left is a place for the lonely, a terrace house in the beach back in town. And then basically this is the end of the song, and it fades out on this, okay? So all it is but there was left is a place dark and lonely, a terrace house in the mean street back of town. is a place dark and lonely. A terrace house in a mean street back in town. It just goes out on that, just round and round and round. So I do that a couple of times and then stop. So this is the end of the song, yeah? The worst left is a place dark and lonely. Terrace house in a mean street back in town. The worst left is a place dark and lonely. Sorry. House in the mean street back in town. Something like that. Or you could do the normal one where it goes, "'Cause always left is a place dark and lonely. Terrace house is a mean street back in town. Whichever one you fancy. Okay, so there you have it. That's my take on the Herman's Hermits No Milk today. I hope that I didn't confuse you too much with that one. There's a lot of words in it. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.